guy. This is a green tree frog. He's making noise before, but he won't now. Oh, a cute little one. There are lots of these. Oh, dude. You making noise for us? Okay. I'll leave you alone. Have a good night, little dude. We'll do that. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.